Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up, it's me, your girl Yvonne, and today I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial on how to do a nice summer glow look with a red lip. So please stay tuned. So first I'm going to color correct because today I have a little visitor here, an unwanted visitor that decided that they wanted to make an appearance on my channel. So I am going to say goodbye to it and basically flick it off because I don't want this to peek through my foundation. So first I'm going to color correct. I am going to use my Becca green color corrector in pistachio. And I have been getting and finding a lot of high-end makeup at my local Marshalls. So if you guys want to see a haul of the kind of makeup things that I get there and the prices, I will be more than happy to do a video on just that specifically because I like to save money. I like to get more for my buck. So I don't mind doing that video for you guys because I like to spread the word. I like everybody to, you know, have the good things, the nice things, just because, you know, like we all, you know, we all should get it. Like this retails for maybe like $20-30. I don't know, I'm not sure. I have to check Sephora's website, but I got this actually for $5.99. Look, Becca, and it's like legit. So I'm going to take this color corrector and I'm going to put it here and I'm just going to dab it in. And what the green does is cancels out anything that's red. So right now my pimple is like really fresh, so I am going to color correct under my eye, and I'm going to use the Benefit Boinging Brightening Concealer, and this is in a number 2, which is light medium. So what this does is, I got some black eye peas. Like, look at this. This is like really dark. So what this does is help conceals it under your foundation. So I'm only gonna put this under my eye. Unfortunately, I have this deep sunken in thing going on right here, and there's nothing that I can do about that. So, and if there is something I can do about it, please comment down below. Let me know so I can get rid of it. Not permanently, but at least when I do my makeup, I can make it look like it disappeared. Next, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, and I am in the shade 220 Natural Beige. And before I started my makeup, I already primed my face, put on everything, so I'm good to go. Ooh, I look crazy. I personally like to use a brush just because it gives a lot more coverage. I like to, after I use the brush, go back in with a beauty blender and just move everything out. Why is my baby hairs not cooperating today? Move it up. Swoop, swoop, swoop. I like to have my hair like straight or something, but I got a haircut recently and the lady did not cut my hair right. So I would never go there again. I didn't say anything because she was like kind of old, but I wanted to give her the benefit of the doubt. So I was like, I just need a quick haircut, and bam. So when when I came home after like maybe like a couple of hours, I noticed that when I pulled my hair to the front, because I cut my hair kind of short, so the hair was like so I was like, no. It was like oh man, like I can't even describe it. It was just here, and then it was like one of those like slants. Like it was horrible. Like it was such a it was like the worst haircut I ever got in my life. So I'm just trying to let it grow out a little bit more so that I can go get another haircut somewhere nicer. I just gotta laugh at it. It was just like, you know, everybody has that like one story, so whatever. so, so funny. Okay, so now I'm done with that. Now I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer, and I am in the shade Almond, and I am just going to conceal. Look, this thing is still peeking through. Oh my god. Well, I know that my baby right here is gonna do me justice, and my baby gonna cover it. So mm, I look hella crazy, right? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now I'm going to set everything in with my favorite setting powder, my Peach Perfect powder. And it smells so good. I put so much powder. I don't care. Because, like, this needs to stay in all day. This needs to stay in until, like, probably tonight. So, and it doesn't make my eyes look dry. So, so I put this on just because when I put my setting powder on, it goes all over my brows. So this is the Brow Stylist Boost and Set, and it's actually the same color as my brow pencil, which is in dark brunette. Now I'm gonna take Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. This is like one of my favorite drugstore bronzers. Oh my god, this is like heaven. Like, this is so good for me. Like it's so nice and soft, and it's just really good. So I'm gonna take this and contour my face a little bit. Now I'm gonna go back with the first brush that I used to contour with. I'm just going to contour my eyes. See? Really light. That gives you like a nice little bronze color underneath my lash line. Now I'm gonna take my Butter Bronzer blush in the color Natural Glow, and I'm just gonna throw that all over my eyelids. And I'm just gonna use my finger to do it. Now I'm gonna go into my Park Avenue Princess chisel palette, and I am going to add more color into my crease. See? Okay, so I got all that blended out, and as you can see, It's just very light, very natural look. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in waterproof. That is the only thing that keeps my eyelashes curled up because my eyelashes are dead straight. And for some reason, anytime that I put on any mascara, it goes straight down within like an hour. So this is my like holy grail mascara. I don't know about anybody else, but you know how like sometimes you have like that favorite side of your eyelash? It's always this one for me. It looks just like so much prettier. I don't know why. Like, is it me? Let me know. Comment down below. Do you have like a favorite side that you like doing your makeup on, or mascara or something? Let me know. I'm like, am I a weirdo? Let me know. Am I the only one? No. Us weirdos, we need to stick together. We need to, you know, embrace each other. Let each other know that it's okay. We're weird. It's okay. And does anybody make funny faces? Like, I'm always like like like, I don't know. Like, does this make my mascara go on any better or faster? No, it don't. I'm just weird. Y'all see what a difference mascara makes my eye makeup look? See, look. Love it. Now I'm gonna take my NARS Orgasm and I'm just going to put that all over my cheeks. I'm just gonna put it very lightly, just to add some color. Next, I'm gonna put some highlighter on my face. And first I'm going to go back into my Natural Glow, the Butter Blush. And I'm just going to put some here. I'm going to take my Fenty Killer Watt and Hustler Baby. This is my baby. This is like my favorite highlighter. And I'm just going to put this darker shade. I know my thing is messed up. It cracked, so I had to like fix it. So I'm just going to put that on top. Y'all see that? Woo! Woo! I highlight, baby. Where's she gonna look cute like that? I'm going out with my mama. That's what I'm doing. Just gonna put a little bit on my nose. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, bling bling. Alright. Today I'm going for red lip. I'm going all out. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Pioneer 20. Like, this is like the cutest red on me. Like, a lot of people are scared to use the color red, like a red lipstick, but depends on, you know, what your undertones, your skin undertones are, and you have to find, you know, things that match your undertone, because if not, it's gonna make you look like washed out or something. So I recommend that if you have warm undertones, this color Pioneer, it's gorgeous. Right now I'm just lining out my lips, because when it comes to red lipstick or anything, I don't care what it is, lip liner first. We're gonna lock that in. If you do not put this on, your lips will bleed. And now I'm just gonna go back in with my lip pencil and go back around my lip liner. And to finish off this look, I am going to powder my face with this peach glitter powder. Now I'm just gonna go in with some setting spray. Okay guys, that's the completed look. What do you guys think? Look at that highlight. Ooh, bling bling. Hey guys, so I wanted to record a video with me outside so you guys could see my makeup because the lighting in my house is really bad. So I'm running some errands with my mom right now. So I just wanted to show you guys what my makeup looks outside. So I'm outside running some errands with my mom and she's recording me in the back. My mom, she's like my biggest fan. Say hi, Mom! Hey, babe. Hey guys, that is it for the tutorial and I hope I gave you guys some good tips. And I hope you really like this. If you like this look, please leave a comment down below, like this, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!